Someone who watches this video is going to be flown out to Los Angeles, all expenses paid to meet me. Stay tuned later in this video and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, what we're talking about is a way for you to make more money without fancy tools, equipment, spending a bunch of money to start. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First thing I want you to know is that there are four main ways to get leads. And I'm taking this directly from Alex Hormozy, who also took it from other people. Alex Hormozy talks about these four pillars, these four core ways to generate leads. So first we're going to talk about how to get the leads, and then I'm going to show you how to sell to them without having a website, a funnel, doing calls, any of that. Although I teach you how to do that as well, this is another way to do it. So the four ways are cold leads or outreach, warm outreach, paid ads, and content. You're watching content right now. This is what content is: posting on YouTube, Instagram, other places, and just putting that content out there. Another way is paid ads. Yes, you can spend money. You don't have to be a huge company to do this. You can spend $5 a day on a YouTube ad or a Meta ad or, that just Facebook and Instagram. You can spend money on ads. And there's actually a really cool way I like to think about this that is not directly what you've been told. So I'll tell you that in a moment. And then there's warm outreach, which is I'm reaching out to people that I already know. I'm talking to people who may have already been customers of mine, or maybe I've just talked to them before. I met them somewhere. They're in my contact list. They're on an email list. They're warm. Cold outreach is when you don't know the person. You're either sending automated emails or manual emails, or you're reaching out in the DMs. That's not my favorite thing to do in the world, but there's a way to do that too, which makes sense. So you can kind of combine content and cold, right? So you're going to think about those four ways. Right now, I want you to write down what of those four ways are you doing right now? Do you have anywhere where you're posting content about what you sell? If you're not doing that yet, first thing you need to do is choose one of those and go all in. Choose it, work on it for a few weeks, and see what you can learn from it and how you can get better at it. So if you're not doing any of those four things, that's why you don't have money. That's just the simple truth. If you're doing any of those things and it's not working, try doing more of it so that you can get better. Do more of it faster so that you can get better at it faster. So let's say that you're posting content, like you are out there, you have Instagram reels, you're doing your thing. How many times a week are you posting? And what have you done recently to learn how to post better reels, better videos, things that have hooks and retention and all of that? What have you taught yourself recently that helps you with that? Because I tell you that there's no person on this planet who has figured all of that out. So you can always learn, you can always do more, it can always be better. Same thing with the other outreaches. When's the last time you reached out to a group of people you already know? You reached out to past customers or people you want to be customers, people you know. You've said, hey, I'm going to post on LinkedIn. Now, there's a way to do that if you can be, more seen. You can post on LinkedIn, say, I'm going to take on 3 new clients for this offer, this service that I give. Basically, you're not going to call it an offer, but this service that I give, this value that I give. And I'm taking on 3 clients, and you can get in touch. Those are the types of things you can do where it's one to many, meaning you're one person and you're reaching several people. And then there's things you can do that are one on one. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video that I'm going to teach you how to do all of that without a website, without a landing page, a funnel, even a phone call, because I think a lot of great deals happen with conversation. So I've taught you a lot in the past about doing phone calls and Zooms. Totally still think you should do that. But there's a way to do it that I have seen multiple people do it, and I have done this way that many people just don't do. Let me know in the comments right now if you want me to tell you what that is. If you're excited to find out how you can do this without talking to someone, without necessarily using your voice and your image to talk to somebody. Okay. And also stick around because I'm going to show you how you can win an all expense paid trip to Los Angeles to meet with me. I'll work with you on your company or your offer, and we'll have a good time. All right. You must be 18 plus to win, just so you know. So have a parent or someone else come in if you're not 18 plus. Now, what you're going to do, and I'll tell you about it by telling you two things I've seen with people. One is something that has worked for on me, like this person did this with me and it worked and I paid the money. And the other is one that I just observed that I thought was so brilliant. And then I'll give you a third that is just what I have done, where I've made thousands of dollars in the last few weeks from. So the first one is I had someone who does my short form clips for me. So I have different people, like I use Opus Clips, which is like an AI that helps you do that sometimes. But then I have like real uh, craft done on some of these videos because I want to do that content pillar when I'm talking about traffic. I want to do that content pillar a lot and I want to go all in on content. So I'll have somebody do that. So last year I had someone do that for like 5 or 6 months, and every single week they would send me clips from my long form videos that were really well done. And I loved it. I thought it was awesome. Some of those videos got a lot of views, and I thought the way that they did it was smart. After a few months, I decided not to do it anymore just because it was costing quite a bit. And because I felt like I just wanted to take a little bit of a break from posting so much. It was just a personal preference, but it had nothing to do with their quality because their quality was awesome. So they reach out to me this year in a text message. Now, remember, before, or note that before, I had never spoken to them on a call. I'd never looked at a website of theirs. I actually DM'd with them on Twitter back in the day when I was on Twitter. That's how I first interacted with them. And then to get my delivery of my videos, I would be have a text come to me with the downloads. Okay. So now this year they reached out and they simply said, "Hey, Arlen, I love what you're doing still. I've gotten so much better at what I do. I'd like to see, I was wondering if you'd let me send you a video that I've made for you." Now, in my opinion and my belief is that they had not recorded this video yet. They were probably sending this out to 20 to 50 people they'd worked with in the past, and they were waiting to see who would say yes to the video, and then they would record the video, which I think is smart. This is what I believe happened. So this is what you could do too. So I said, sure. So they send me a 3-minute video or so, and it's them on screen, and they're saying what they liked about working with me, how they've gotten better, and what they think they could do to help me like even further my reach even more so. And they said at the end of it, if you'd like to work with me, let me know. It's $1,500 per month, and there are no contracts or anything. Just let me know. So they sent the video off. I looked at it. I decided, yes, I'll do that. I'll give that a try. There's not a lot of like, I'm not on the hook for something. I don't have to do this beyond the first month if I don't like it, if it's not worth it for me. Let's do it. And I like their work. So I said yes in a text message. They then sent me a Stripe link. I paid that Stripe payment link, and then they started getting to work. And then again, they would send me, and they still do, send me clips, and I get the clips in my text messages. I've never been on one phone call, and I have zero. I have no idea if they even have a website. I don't even think they do. That to me is brilliant because they're not letting any excuses lie. There's technology you can use that many of us have. Most of us have phones. Most of us have an ability to contact each other. So they may have received my number in that Twitter DM at the beginning. That's how we kind of started talking. They could probably still stay on DM if I were there. Like if you have other platforms where you have DM capabilities like School or Instagram, etc. And they're delivering it there as well. Now, another one that I saw recently that I thought was absolutely brilliant too was they did have a website, but there's no phone calls. Okay. And this is a high ticket offer. This is like $5,000 to $10,000 a piece that they're selling this service for. You go to a very simple website and it just says, it doesn't even say a price. I just happen to know the price because I did this, right? They just say, do you want to work with us? Do you want this? If you do, click on this button and it will help you. It'll send a WhatsApp text or SMS. and it'll just be to me. And it says, it's truly me. It's me. And it'll come right to me. So I sent the WhatsApp message. They wrote back a little while later and they said, okay, this is how much it costs. You know, tell me a little bit more. This is how much it costs. And then there's a payment link to pay. $5,000 to $10,000, depending on which one I choose. That there, I will probably never speak to them on the phone if I decide to do this. I haven't decided yet. I'll probably never speak to them on the phone. They're able to move and work with 20, 30, 50 people at a time because they're just typing with their thumbs. And then they probably have a small fractional, you know, outsourced team that's putting together this final product. And if you're what you're selling, obviously, if what you're selling is one-on-one calls or you're selling consultation, then you might need to deliver it that way. But the sales are absolutely brilliant. Now, the third thing I wanted to show you was that I did this in the last few weeks and it worked as well. So what I did was I actually have a warm audience of current customers in my inner circle. And my inner circle costs several $1,000s per year. It is capped at 100 lifetime members, and it is at its 100-person capacity. You can no longer get in it unless someone leaves and no one's left. So I wanted to do something where I gave a lot of great value to thank them for being members of Inner Circle. And I also wanted to bring in more capital to help me serve them better, faster. So I gave them an offer that was a $1,500 offer. It was an add-on, something that they could get. I sent out an email and text messages to each person because they have my number as part of their offer, right? That they already bought. So I sent an email out, and I know that my emails from my Gmail don't really reach everybody. So I also sent a follow-up text to anyone who did not reply or purchase. So I sent it out to 100 people or 95 people or so at the time, and 35 people purchased and maybe 25 purchased right away, right? So then I would send out 70 or so text messages, which was not hard to do. It was pretty simple. Took me like an hour or two. And I said, I just wanted to make sure you saw my email. I have this offer for you that's an add-on. It's a bonus, but it's kind of cool. It's definitely valuable. It's worth way more than $1,500. Let me know if you want it. No pressure. And through that, I got like 10 more people who were like, oh, I didn't see the offer. I didn't see that email. Yeah, let me send the wire. Or let me send, you know, I actually not the wire. I did most of this through PayPal or Stripe, right? So anyway, the whole point of this is I didn't have to do any sort of follow-up phone calls. I didn't have a landing page for this. Actually, I had a landing. Let me be honest with you. I had a landing page for it, for the payment, But honestly, if I had just done everything I told you and then I just sent the Stripe or the PayPal link, it would have worked just as well. It's just through these DMs, direct messages to, obviously this is a very warm audience I just described, but the other two are not as warm. The second one I mentioned to you was very cold. Just happened to see a YouTube video, which YouTube works really well. The YouTube video led to a link in the description, which below, if you look in the description, you will have links that are very valuable to you right now. That led to that page that said, hey, just send me a DM. And the person that the first option I gave you, or the first sample I gave you, was zero website. Zero website. So there's different ways you can do this, and you can apply this to you, especially if you notice all three examples were higher ticket, mid to high ticket, 1,500 in two cases, and 5 to 10,000 in the middle case. So you can't say, oh, I can't do this, I can't sell. You can if you have the great, compelling offer, and if you put lots and lots of energy into at least one of those 4 ways of getting that traffic. Now, if you're saying to yourself, I don't know how to do all of this, this sounds good, but I've never sold like that before, I don't know if that's for me. I'm helping 100 people inside of my 100-day sprint. That is 100 days to 2026. We're a few days in. It is amazing in there. And in the links below, you can get information about how to join right now, or you can join me on a webinar if I'm still holding that when you see this video. And either way, check it out because it's going to help you so much. If this video has already helped you, right? Just imagine what it's like to be with me every single day, where I'm holding your hand every day with a small group of people, and we're working on something that is strategized out. How do you make the most of the last few days of the year? And how do you make the most money doing that? I cannot make any guarantees of how much you will make or that you'll make anything at all, but I can tell you that I am here every single day inside of that premium sprint container, and I am helping everyone figure out their offer, optimize their offer, get traffic, get eyes on their offer, sell that offer, and go as far as they can with it. Now, you may be wondering, Arlan, you said at the top of this video that somebody's going to win a trip to meet you, to meet me in person in Los Angeles. And yes, that's true. The way that you win or that you get into the running is that you like this video below. You subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you're already subscribed, do not unsubscribe to subscribe. Just leave it as is because that's all that matters. And then you leave a comment and you simply say, I'd love to meet you in Los Angeles. This is why. And you explain why in your comment. That's it. You just tell me why, but you have to say, I'd love to meet you in Los Angeles. This is why. And then you tell me why in your comment. So make sure you've liked the video, make sure you're subscribed, and you leave a comment. And you're automatically in the running to win this free trip. I'm going to pay for your flight if you're not from here. I'm going to pay for your hotel. You're going to come out for a couple of days, spend some time with me. I just had 12 people come from all over the world and hang out with me last Friday. And we did a 9-hour mastermind where everybody, I mean, they made this beautiful video that I'm going to show you soon on this channel, but they made this awesome video where they said how much they got out of it. It's a real vibe. Like, it's awesome. So you're going to be part of that. You're going to hang out with me and some other people, and I'm going to make sure I pay for it. And it's going to happen in 2025. So leave a comment. If you can't make it here in 2025, even though I'm paying for it, there is an option to come here in 2026 for your first million live instead. So you get to decide. I know it's like a tough decision, but don't worry. I got you. I got you. We're going to make the right decision for you. Get into the running. If you win, I will contact you. I will be in touch with you. So don't worry about that. If you do not hear from me, it means you did not win. But good luck to everybody. And this is going to be so fun. And I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Tell your friends about it. I'm making these videos for you, the entrepreneur. I'm making these videos to help you level up your game. Whether you're making 100,000 plus a year already, or you're on your way to that, this channel is for you.